Hi beautiful people, welcome back to olyscuisines channel. From the title, you know we're going to be making, is it coleslaw or salad? I'm not sure, but let me know in the comments what you think it is, because I've had a lot of different things anyway. So I decided to use my new chopping board, which came as a gift. I decided to use it to chop these veggies. So I use just very few things. I use cabbage, I use lettuce, onions, which you can skip because some of you don't like onions. I don't know why, but some of you don't like onions. And then I use carrot as well. I use green, no, not green. I use sweet corn, and I use baked beans. And some people don't like baked beans as well. Why and how? Anyways, I chopped everything, grated the carrot. Is this going to be called grating? Anyway, I prepped all the veggies, and it now got to the interesting part, the layering. I love this part so much. Like, dicing everything is the main work. That's the proper work. Like, that's a lot of work. But you see this layering, it is so sweet to do. It is so lovely to do. Like, this is my favorite part of making a salad or a coleslaw. So I just layered everything, and it was looking so colorful and beautiful. Anyway, why I said initially that I don't know if this is a coleslaw or if it's a salad is because apparently there are different things, okay? So someone once told me that if once you've added cabbage to it, it's a salad. And like, I don't know, a lot of things contradict themselves. So I just I just stick with calling them salads now. I don't even say coleslaw anymore. And I'm sure you've noticed that we're not using salad cream or mayonnaise or any of those homemade mix. For this, we use homemade avocado salad dressing. And I'm going to put the link for that video just up by the right side of the screen. You're going to see the link for that video pop up right now. And guys, this is the salad. It looked so good. It tasted so nice. I really enjoyed it. Paired it with a lot of different things. Paired it with rice. I paired it with bread. I paired it with some fish and fried yam. Like, it was so good. I really enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment. Let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you beautiful people in my next video, okay? Bye bye.